Welcome to Jamaican Entertainment. This is part 2 of part 1. That simply means part 1 is on Richard Brown Films and part 2 is right on this channel. So if you are only watching part 2, you can head over to Richard Brown and watch part 1 of this movie. Thank you for watching, and remember to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload content here. This is a brand new channel and we want to make sure the subscriber count hit to the roof. So remember to subscribe and share it with your friends.
Break on the beat, going crazy.
What you do, Sabaret? Wait, what you do? You feel like me a smart if you play with, don't it?
What you do?
What you do then,
Calm down yourself.
Look,
Calm
girl,
down.
move front of the way.
But we didn't come out here for this.
Yo, talk to your sister now. Talk to your sister, man.
What you mean
Me
by
no
talking
want
to
you,
sister?
don't know
Come
what you
behind
start
me.
me for.
Yo, let me explain.
Watch it, man.
Wait. Put on your stone them. Put on your stone them.
Yo,
You are my bigger sister.
Put
No,
on your stone them.
move now, man.
Stone them now.
let me explain. Let me explain and tell her what
I
I
bet you say me make me look bury you this month. Move now, man. Move from out of the
Calm
way.
down and put on your stone them. I'm going to talk about
Move
it.
now, man.
Calm down.
Yo,
man.
just talk to your sister. She aggressive. Just talk to her, man.
I bet you
Calm
way.
down, man. Calm down. This is the same reason make you reach a police station in the beginning. Calm down.
Yeah, man, talk to your sister.
Make we talk about it.
Move,
You
man,
stop in
make them
eyes.
why.
Stop in eyes.
You see how she
Make we talk
aggressive?
about it.
You
Stop
see
in
how she
eyes now.
aggressive?
Make we talk about it. Calm down. Calm down, man. You gonna lick me with the stone too? You plan to lick me down with the stone too?
Talk to her, man.
Come on. Come on.
Yo, babes, I love you, you know. Let me explain and tell you exactly what happened, man.
Me no need to hear no.
Me want to hear what happened.
Let me explain and tell you exactly what happened. It's like one of my brethren in get some ticket and she ticket him. But through me and she got to school together and he know. So he just link me and say, yo, if all a reason with her and see if she can deal with the ticket them for him. You see me? So I don't like to me and she in no relationship thing. But because you just love jump to
Say if
conclusion.
you go to a man police.
You know, listen to me and say, I choose she, me know. You see me?
Alright, nobody jump in and what you must say. I want to hear what you must say.
Yeah, so it's like that. You know, so me I don't like, so me I don't cheat on them thing. You see me? I just chew that man Ray. You see me? I don't know big deal, babes.
Wait till I say catch him in a compromising position. How can I compromise in position?
Close.
Catch him, you know?
They went close. We
Babe,
feel
you
like
know, so me love you. You know, so me love you, man.
Hear what me feel like say. The violence thing not work in a relationship, you know. It not work any at all. So if it is that you don't love each other, you either find a way to work it out or it don't make no sense to nobody there. You have to make a decision.
As me say, babes, me and the woman ain't nothing. I just a thing me there work out for my brethren.
and that you should have met me know from the moment I walk in, make me know.
Yeah, but you don't even give me a chance if you explain nothing to you, you just start, carry on.
So no, I can't make it work, man. You love him?
Them I must love my man.
And you love her?
Oh, yeah, of course, me love her.
So no must can't make it work. If you can't make it work, then just let it. Because I make it work.
Take it for granted.
Later, Sean.
If you were mine, I'd be around all the time. Dash your distress and spend some quality time. Me not lying, me love the way your body design. Run with the boy where you waste your time. If you were mine, I'd be around all the time. Dash your distress and spend some quality time. Me not lying, me love the way your body design. Run with the boy where you waste your time. In keep on getting hurt and
Because
keep
tell me, say,
holding on.
you see a chat to a man out the road on this other day.
Me? What kind of man me chat out the road?
He tell me, say, you see a chat to a man in a one blue shirt and turn up down there so long, you see now over a plaza, watch you know. So long over there chat to. What kind of style that?
The man just asked me which part me spot house there. So
Yo,
me
my
just-
girl, me tell you something, stop ramp with me now. Me tell you something, stop ramp with me now, my girl. I'm here. Jesus Christ!
Kill him now, sister, you kill him.
No, so they say you did that me no man. No, no man.
Oh, you kill him. Oh, you kill him.
Drink some more. Alright. Take time.
Right, baby?
Sing good morning.
Boy, tired. Sorry if you have push up or something, you know? Where we put that next? Oh, here? Let's go this up down here. Ah!
That you forget. You think me didn't see you down the road a while ago? I
Talk
chat to
about-
woman, you not see me but miss you. Where you and shit inna? Tell me right
You don't see
now.
how me that talk down
Tell
there?
me right now I'm born you again.
You don't see who me that talk down there?
Who you there chat to?
Look like you're mad smarty, you know?
What you talk about? Tell
No, your friend, sister, down the road me see a while ago.
which friend? Which friend you talk about? Me not understand.
Jessie, your friend, sister, Shan's sister.
Oh, okay.
And the man in the right next door, the same man in the there.
True, me did that far still, me didn't to see what go on, but me see her chat to the girl, so that's why me say me a bunny in your sleep. Come me put little ice on it.
Don't understand, me don't understand you, man. Me don't understand you.
You know say I saw it go more while when me head chip.
What one, babes?
No, so I'm hungry right now.
So on the road you come from, I can never get something to eat on the road.
So back and say me.
But there at work. I think if you come from the road and you're hungry, you'll get something to eat.
My girl, I tell you I'm hungry, right? Why you give me talk? You're not supposed to go in the kitchen and go look for food.
You know, so I'm hungry too.
You need to get up and leave that and go put on the food. No.
Alright, I'm gonna look for something for you to eat.
You need to get up.
Give me 5 minutes when I finish dealing with
You
my
need
client.
to
When I
do
deal
this
with an
now.
important client.
No. Get up. Yeah, get out the hand from there, you know. Last time I slam door in my face. You just slam door for me? Eh?
No, it's the door slip out of my hand.
Eh?
The door slip out of my hand.
Turn around, can you get out the hand from one here? You get out the hand from one. No. Stop. Give me a chat here. Go like you want. I have to talk to you. I have to talk to you. You hear me tell you? You hear me tell you? Girl, that's how I cook your food with you. No.
I'm done.
Yes.
So I just cut my finger on the knife.
You do?
I just cut my finger a while ago. You have to go find the hospital and go get some stitches.
No man, I won't bust some feet man. Go on down there yourself, not bust some feet. Right on my own.
You not come with me?
No man, I'm going to some place with the blood. Hurry up and come to that place now. Sure. Nah, some damn place. Watch out. Nobody blood up your room, now. I'm a white Air Force, man. Man, I make the blood touch my white Air Force.
The one to your hand.
I just cut it on the knife a while ago, man. It's alright. I'm just gonna get some stitches done.
No, man. Let me see it.
It's alright, man. It's alright.
So-
I just a little cut. May I get us some stitches done at clinic and
No,
come back?
man.
Everything good, man. Alright.
Girl, you know what say? I be things are going. Me hear some rumors are going on. So hear what? Me see your for your friend a pass and he hand cut and a pay blood like I man beat it, but he tell me say I cooking when I cook and he hand cut. That never look so. So find out a what so me can hear because when me they try to look want me look in my shiffy and then and the shiny and sitting. Something not right. You understand? All this morning me I hear someone sitting girl. Pick up the phone. Make sure you call me ASAP with good news too. Alright?
What time now?
When I sleep in a day, you know, you feel more tired, you know.
What
I
time
don't
now?
want to sit in an idea. Can I do something?
I want to do an idea.
The right thing.
The right thing? Alright, I'm gonna check my phone and then come back on again. So I'm going to
Received today at 1:10 p.m. To replay, press 1. To hear the caller's number, press 2.
replay.
Girl, you know still a few things are going on. Me, some rumors are going on. But you know what? If your friend a pass and he hand cut on a paper like I man beat it, but he tell me say I cook when I cook and he hand cut. That never looks so. So I know go walk so me can't hear because I want me to try to look I want me to look in my shit and the stuff and the shiny ass thing. But not right. You understand? All this morning me I hear someone sitting girl pick up the phone, make sure you call me ASAP with good news too. Alright?
Received today at
Babes, you hear the conversation a while ago. So that means that whatever we have to do, I have to go stay till later. Right now. Me I go check for Shan. Little bit before it, would I love to. But me have to go make sure that she alright. Me hear her hand cut up and a bleed. I want to see what going right there so cause I don't trust that boy.
Alright.
So, little more.
Tori.
Where go on?
Touring a day here.
No, she's not there. You can't come in though. You know, so I used to can look for.
Eh.
Yeah.
Boy.
So you get cut up on or something, but you don't look like you get cut up bad.
I just a couple stitches me get tonight. I have to go to the doctor a while ago because I cut up some things in the kitchen and the knife slip, you know.
But this about me here though, I get a different room. I here though, I used to beat, I get beaten though. I don't understand.
Boy, fire. Boy.
Boy, I don't understand what a boy say a while ago.
And then beating me get cut up my hand still. I did really in the kitchen me did that, but boy don't they not treat me right same way.
Nice man like you not treat you good, not sound good.
Not sound good at all, but a long time with there now, you know. Kinda not so easy to get up and left.
Why? That life is not normal because that's similar situation with your friend still. When meet her, I never know say she was this abusive person. But love me after her still make me bypass most of the things them. Because on my foot, I 10 stitches I get panina and she do it, you know.
Yeah, tell me say.
Yeah man, 10 stitches I get man on my foot.
I didn't know say anything there
Yeah,
going
man.
down here either.
And since recently I get one stab on my foot or so. You understand? All of me still. Yeah man, get a stab right there so. At 10 stitches I get on my foot what day, you know. You know what I mean?
Boy. And what we are going to do, we have to go find a way to come out of them situation.
Why? Easy to say, but
It's not so easy to do.
not easy to do. You know what I mean?
I know, because a long time now we sit down in it and, you know, I can't too. I have to put my best face forward, you know, and everybody won't really want in my business.
It's kind of tricky for you though. I'm see how the balance cut. We are soft though.
Take time, man. It hurt, man. It take time.
We are soft though.
What kind of thing you going with? You know, my hand wiggle left for you.
I don't know why life is like this though, you know.
I want the same thing.
Cause why I never meet you first instead of your friend? Because your personality is more loving and I don't think she'd have hurt me in no way, you know?
I don't think you'd have hurt me either, you know. But life stay how it stay, not true. And with the wish part with them, you know.
So I think this could be our investment. It's like putting our love in our liquor investments at all times. They can go and withdraw there. It never makes sense to you, but I think it does make sense internationally to the world. What do you think?
It sounds good, yes. But you know, we can't go stop to this. Because I really like him. I really like you.
Just not talking nicely, but nobody know though.
Sean, I want go on. I want my friend there. I want me here to go on today. Talk, I want go on.
So you just run up in that place, sir.
I want me here so she up on road today with blood on her hand, her whole hand, I'll chop off and thing and you there so sit down and watch TV. How what that about? What go on?
Your friend too soft. Sleep me and sleep me in my ball. Out done! I'm going in the kitchen, one little cut on your finger, you know. I said this girl come like you a mad somebody. Let me have to get up. Go look at him. I want to follow him to the doctor. I'm wake up hungry too, you know. So she told me, say, go on to the doctor by yourself. Wish your friend did stay like you. Damn little machete, you know them something that turn me on, man.
And them thought they really come give me now all the time. Me have a feeling say still you're rough her up some of them times, you know. I don't like that, you know.
No man, not like somebody rough
And
up
my
people.
friend that, you know, if it can rough up anybody else, you know, but not my friend, you
Not
know.
like somebody rough up people, because you're nice. Not rough you.
Easy, you know, Alton. Mine, you know, it just move too rough sometimes.
No man, I'm not rough. I don't look rough. I'm a good boy.
Well, some people might can't handle the roughness still, but
And I want a girl like you, but if you have from a long time, you know. Shouldn't even David shot, you know. Shan too soft for me.
You know, still, I always look on you still and like a little roughness still, but Shan can't handle it.
You like it rough?
Just a little.
Alton, baby. I want one.
Nothing now go on, babes. May I come? May I come? May I come?
So when you open the door for me, open up the door, man.
Hold on now. Hold on now. There's something there behind the door.
So what kind of something behind the door? Move it, man. Okay.
Babes.
Alton want one in there.
Nothing now go on.
Alton. So why you lock the door? Alton.
We're not done the place so far.
So what is so me can lock up house, so me can lock up door?
Me just come in and just have a shower and come in and tired.
Me not like them things there, you know, cause me want to bed.
You
Me
wanna
just come from the doctor.
Alright, go and go bed now. Sorry.
Pass me towel.
Towel.
Yeah, come give me.
Me so carry come. Go on, me so carry come.
God, you're dangerous. God, you're too dangerous. I gave love and you gave hate in return. Next time I breathe a pretty girl, at least my lesson I will learn. Pretty face with the devilish mentality. I'm telling you, it's like it's a fatality. I can't breathe.
Hello?
Fire.
What going, babe?
Me there. Me in my bed, you know, me home alone. Me not feel too well, you know. Feel like I could have used some vitamin D.
What's wrong with you?
Feel like I could have used some vitamin D, man.
What part of your people them that do?
In Ghana road from evening, in Ghana have a drink with him friend them, and I think he might come back for now.
But I don't like trouble so many times, you know.
Forward, man. Forward quick before he come back.
Alright. You know, so outside me they can hear the thing them in the background. Woman in the house that when I want spliffy, but I guess she wants some rum off of the road. So I'm going to tell her, say, I get some rum for her still. You know what I mean? I just come check you.
Yeah, man, the way you have to do forward.
Alright, so just let me do it. I'll come right and I'm not want to time and just jump in, is it?
Alright. The door open, man. Alright. Kind of easy though.
1 hour.
1 whole hour. You want to stay so all night.
What's the weather?
You have to hurry up and come out before that come back.
Go to sleep and done.
If Anton ever come home before you left, you know, say you can't go nowhere because I'm a go like feeling.
Shine!
Yes?
Shine!
In my room.
Shine!
Yes? When I go with the friend, I'm not on the water.
I'll put down a kickle. It look like that.
I don't feel good. Because I'm not feel good for the evening, but now the business about I run drinking. Fun in my bed.
You don't know, so I have to drink my tea before I go to bed.
The tea already there on the fire, man. Go on in my bed.
I still feel warm.
All done.
Yeah,
here.
some rough.
Sit here.
What is
Remember some of people.
How did that snore?
What do you mean I want to snore? I don't mean I place a snore. I mean I snore. Me can't even do nothing in that place. Every time I get up here. Me near a snore, man. Me near a snore. Go on back go sleep.
Say I behave so far. Me not deal
I
with
mean
you.
how me a behave. Me can't do nothing. Me can't snore 2 times in that place before you want to beat me. I beat you want to beat me?
You like me want to beat you?
Yes! I made this snore. Cha. It's alright, man. I mean they are snore.
But we never hear snore yet.
I snore all the while. If you hear me snore if you're asleep.
Hungry, you know.
This one right.
Don't like it, you know.
Okay. Gone in the kitchen. Never tell us never wake up the yard and make you open the front door. You roll up.
Do it fast. You want to do it, man. Give me a want to wait for me now.
Alright, make up. All done. I'm gonna wake up the yard. Give me a key.
Break up the yard.
Yay! You know, see people leave way in the yard, I'm gonna rake you out before neighborhood wake up.
So I lock up the door for?
Me go change. Me go change, man. Hold on. And clean up your house. Where's shoes? What's in the shoes then when you come home? Me a come, me go for key. Me a come, hold on now.
Yeah, lock up the blasted place for.
I throw it out there so make a letter read.
Sure.
Around there, what's already?
Girl, I hear me call you. How you run up and down about the place, so?
I key me go for you know say Alton have the whole I key them.
Anyways, I be running up and down me I do from morning, you know. From last night the boy fire no come home, you know. Me send him to go buy one flask of rum shan and all now me can't see him. Me there think a bag of things. Me I wonder if somebody take him and fling him in a ditch or something. Cause you know a boy sir. But one thing for sure, me know no morning Alton. Me send the boy to buy one flask of rum, you know. And all now me can't see him. From last night till now.
So I don't supposed to come and look.
Just stay out of this now. My friend me I talk to right now, you know. Me just ask her if she see him.
So we have man to keep down and we now no. We don't keep man down.
As me say, and you me I talk to. So Shan, me go look down the road right now and see if me see him and then me make you know what's going on.
Alright, let me know what's going on. Let me know if I find him.
I like people me answer early next time.
Shan, me like the boy, you know. You
Tell
need
me
to
if
do
you find
something.
him.
You need
It's
to do something
alright.
about this, you know.
It's alright.
Cause
Why you have to be so disrespectful to my friends them?
So why you have me come and me play so early?
She never did ask you anything.
I'm not even drink tea yet.
So me not say in the kitchen a
Lock
fried
the door
dumpling.
behind you.
Me not say in the kitchen a fried dumpling. What do you mean by you drink tea? You fried dumpling and you drink tea?
You love arguing with me do my ear this in your face too.
right now me don't want to hear that. After me on the pan road I walk and look see you.
What are you looking for?
All about the whole road.
You don't-
The whole road, everybody had me a check for you.
Me get
This is
locked
why
up.
you're dead
You
for
been
you.
on station? Me get locked up last night. Okay, I bust your brain, baby.
So write down some ideas, you know. I want to start up something soon.
You know, it's a work me I go up on still, you know.
So, how come you just know about that?
Well, I found what day she did tell me about work, but you see me as a man, when I talk, me then I talking to people, you know me stay. So, she just confirm and they have the money and now if we pay, so I just take clear some all that I want bathroom. If I marry, you know marry up here, doesn't I'll be
You
the
know,
one
marry,
yeah, man.
but you know something not like a sudden business. You need to talk to me.
Alright, what you want me to do? You want me to tell you to keep me work there and make somebody go and do it?
I not say no still. I not say no.
Because we need money.
We do.
Yeah.
We do. Fine. Fine. I not argue.
So you could choose to we meet yourself.
Come in, man, and talk. Yeah. But I say no. But they want a good platform now. So you know, say me have her look suspicious. She watch me. You know, so she try to figure me out, but she kind of lock down when I secret them. She go come over and say no, come check, because she watch me. They have everything on profile, but she's very smart. She's very secretive. Even in her sleep, I try to ask her question, but she asleep and she still not really give me nothing. But no worry self, I dep on the case. You understand what I mean? So what me I do now, I test her now.
Yeah.
So if she really into me so much, she go come check me yes by the next half an hour. You understand? So But just say something fast, but a fast me with you, and leave the place before she fall out.
Yeah, but hear me I say no, I go to country, now go there for some days, just go deal with brother burial, you see me? So, I go make my boyfriend deal with you, any little information I pass on to him, just make him get, because remember saying I'm undercover police.
Right.
So, me and we link, you see me? Because no one she come catch me.
Alright, so I go and pretend, because I'm a friend here, you know. So I pretend like I work here.
So just do what you're supposed to do for me, and I do what I'm supposed to do for you, you see me? Nobody will get anything, you see me? So,
But I'm on the case though.
yeah man.
Yeah man, I will
Thanks, you see me?
Yeah man, what part of that?
Yeah man, bless up.
Alright.
Okay.
Oh, go on.
You're the funny man.
Yeah man.
You know, when I do like our conversation go down, so I just say I walk come look and see if everything checks out.
You know,
You know?
I'm just my time not to trust the boy, you know.
Can't too trust man them way there, you know. I don't, so just have to make sure say everything good. I'm happy if you say, yes, you're really there still. So you take a break, you know?
Yeah man, I'm gonna try to move out. So I'm most likely move out already, you know. But just step on the last piece. I try to dig up the, you know. Hard work, sir. You know easy, you know?
You don't know. I think do a little thing right now. Miss Marie gone down the road, you know. I say I would make her come home.
Yes, sir. You don't understand.
Yeah, fire us. I just left my man down the road there and I have some concern. I know I used to you as a man of the thing fast, you understand? And I have some other case I want to clear up. You understand? How things work, there's a thing switch up, you understand? So I need the confession. But my concern is that I feel like you fall in love for a case.
I'm telling you one thing though. It's very tricky for you know. But when I say I go get the case done, it's very tricky for you. I'm not sure she do it. I don't know if I love when I have fear now, because I don't lie to you. I think I not develop a lot of feelings because it's just natural. You know what I mean? So the work is still at hand because we're not spending the money, so I get the work done. So different from that now, I need a piece of money right now to kind of seal the deal. Is that a smart place in borrow? Right? I mean, and I use for the face card. But the somebody, now the money to give me different because I use them place.
Alright, let me get you out of the car, park up right house. Let me just pick you up out of the car.
Go do that then. Alright.
You know how long be there wait for you? Okay. Because you get it.
No, I'm going to feed until late tomorrow so she just give me the so tomorrow I'm going to finish it, is it?
And you really there come here without it?
No, by finish tomorrow I get it.
But
because
you see
sure.
You see how things simple, Rasta? You see how we don't have to fuss and fight? Simple. You go back and get the money?
How much you want out of it?
All right enough for me.
I'm going to work for a whole day today. You're not easy though.
Just to show you, you see how things simple. Come on, I cook some food for you already, so. Come and eat some food. Come, babes.
I'll be no bed though.
Alright. Go and go bed then and then come back for something nice. We have something nice for you.
Something nice like what?
We have some nice food for you and I'm sure you have an idea of what else. Go on and come.
Hold it down.
same way how that crime done, someone want it done.
Don't move, where you go? And funny one boy. Over there, so. Turn around. How are you? Are you a bad man in that place? Turn around there, boy. Yo, turn around. Oh, this a boy you going like him back, so. Boy, you boy, you do it bang, you a scammer? What is? Give me this boy.
Take off.
Come on.
Sir.
Put your hand behind you.
Hold it.
Boy, yo. Lucky enough.
Funny.
Lucky enough. Cause jail mother send you enough. Go on, you now go, man.
Hey, Cuddy,
come
on now.
Area going like you no bad man. Make me see you on the road again.
Road where? Where fuck? We don't know power, man.
Make curfew time. Pick up on the road.
Yo, man, start on my bike. Left up, there, son. Left up, man. Left up.
Shan, are you that?
Hi.
Hi.
So I saw none of the door open.
We just did running quick and fast.
I'm afraid people walking from.
Come in, man, we suddenly saw. Oh, go on.
Good night, fire.
Morning, dog.
What go on?
So what, Shan?
I'm there, I'm just like come on Fire Road, go take one drink down here again. You know, come with me.
And that make you look so nice.
I look nice. I feel nice, man. But I feel like, you know, could have hold on one reason.
Alright, so you hear that fire bathroom and I'll go freshen up a little bit and then we'll touch the road.
We'll go freshen up, man.
Alright.
I'm far with it.
You know, easy, you know.
I'll go on fire.
If your eyes never chop you up now, you know, normal.
So, I wait till I say I'm nice and comfortable in the bed now. So I wait till I say you come from one night.
Last night?
Yeah.
Well, last night, you know, I tell her, I say, because me not don't have a conversation until I say me I go buy some rum here. That's why I get to come over come check you.
I heard most of the story.
So, what go on now? I just tell her, I say, boy, me go buy the rum and I come back home now. My son and bridging and give me some weed. And same time when I come with the weed now, I start the bubble and them. I start to sidestep them and run through one different lane. Never know so much police in the one place. One different jeep on the next side. So I end up run up in our next jeep and them jump in that jeep and so then go do some process. Which I see who is I. I do dash every one place and not because of the weed still, because them on process and keep me overnight. That's what I told her still.
So it sound like a me, I tell what it happens still.
Oh, I couldn't in here laugh, so what's so funny?
No, you know what's still, I don't joke I run the still, you know, because she kind of high, you know.
Okay.
But I don't feel pleased though, I run joke with her and I laugh, but I miss out on something where we get something spicy, we say, well, give me, I miss there, so in my mind, I don't feel
Girl, come on, we could touch an ice cream.
Easy yourself, no? Me no want you to left your yard at all, you know. Me no go on the road.
Me touch road too.
You can't touch no road in this fire. No bother with it. No bother with it. So
oh no, I can't only come back.
yeah, if you ever touch no road and I come back and I say yeah. If you ever touch no road. I left right now. Come on, Shan.
Bye, fire. I don't feel too well, you know. I'm gone out the road, gonna have a drink. But leave some food on the stove for you. You can heat it up if you get hungry.
If you know what you know, you better come in your yard before I go to my bed. I might lock you out before 9 night or 2. So stay there boy there road there. You better make sure you come in your yard before I go to my bed. Or you go on the road, like me send you on the road. You wait till you come here. Hello, baby. I go on it at a day and a little piece of something really nice, you know, I'm not tell you lie. I enjoy myself. I know you enjoy yourself too. But anyways, I want to see you know what I think go. playing a little Rasta here. Again. Just link me back when I get this.
I'm on the phone. What is now, John? If you dress it, no.
Tori. Other day is sex, man. I tell you, man, it's sex nice, you know. I mean, I think about the sex from when, you know, man. You see me? I know when we can link up back again.
No, it's not a Sawala. I couldn't remember my name in Sawala, really.
Yo, Tori. Other day is sex, you know, man. I tell you, man, it's sex nice, you know. I mean, I think about the sex from when, you know, man. You see me? I know when we can link up back again. Yeah, here. The sexy Rasta Tori. But anyways.
I just go on. No, it's just me now. They can't mad me. They can't mad me. No, so I'm going to put this out there. Come on, you have to ask them about your phone. Can't stress out. Can't stress out. No stress, Jaja. No stress. No stress, boy. No stress. A lot of love you, no, boy. No stress. No stress, though. No, John. No stress tonight. It's L-Pie.
How you not come in our bed last night?
No, I'm just passing this. I'm going to get up. Alright?
Alright, man. So...
You always say want to do something special. Just find a piece of rope or can do the thing you say you want to do.
No, sir. I'm not on that right now. I still feel drunk from last night.
Cool, man.
How about that fire?
No, man. You know, baby. Want to get something special.
No bother with that man fire. I'm not on that right now. I still feel a little drunk.
Just relax, man. Tell someone left on idea them now. Not for the pull, man, because they rope the cow them is the anti.
What is fire?
The fire now.
What is?
Calm down. I'm taking back control of my life, you know what I mean?
Control?
Taking back control. Okay. Last night, while I was here, you said not to go anywhere. You left your phone and a message come in.
I'm not telling you to touch my phone.
Listen.
I don't want to hear nothing about that.
You don't want to know about that? I left here now.
Which left you talk about, Rasta? Which
I
left you talk about?
Alright.
I'm here and you alone there, sir, now. You see any other man there, sir? You see any other man there, sir? I don't want to hear nothing on the phone.
Alright, that's
I don't want to hear nothing on the phone.
Alright, Mr. Baduman. I try to get back now and broke you up in a bus.
Rasta, you drive.
I don't care now.
Pull them here right now, because you don't want to see what's going to happen. Pull this right now.
I have go down the road and send some stack here for you. That me I tell you.
I must joke you, make. Because my brother already in a Rasta. My brother already know what's going on in a Rasta.
Your brother is soft soap, man.
that you go say. Rasta, you don't know what you do. You don't know what you do. And what you think say happened to my ex-Rasta? You feel like say him out there and live no life? And my brother killed that. That a rotten right now and that over so right now. So same thing I go happen to you, Rasta.
No, I'm glad I said that.
Same.
What you know? Cock mouth kill cock. I hear everything. You have your brother? No, they have a case, they can't lock him up now. So must who go back, you know, when them gone to prison. Because it's a while ago, you know, the investigation can start, you know. So I call the police right now, I contact them and tell them, say, you make your brother kill it. So you are going to prison too. So continue.
But my brother
So, any more secret? Any more secret you have to tell me?
You feel bad, not true?
I'm going to drink, so
Take
man.
your last breath and go on, cause you're dead, Rasta.
Go kill yourself.
Dead, the boy dead. And him didn't even know.
Hello. Yeah man, me there up on the black man, sit down and go and hold a meds man. You know so me buy up the black them door. And I want to start build up your house and all one thing. So you want to send me some money in the dark. Cause cement have to buy and steel have to buy and steal.
See boy over there, so. See boy over there, so. Boy they over there, so. See boy there. See boy there. See boy there.
Hold on man.
Turn up boy. Turn up. Up. And behind you. Shut up. Shut
Yo,
up.
how I go on brother? Yo. Me hold on man. Yo, me hold on man. I want to arrest man say yo. See me a business man.
Yo, turn up.
See me a business man. A business me do.
Turn up boy.
You know see. Yo, how they go on brother? How they go on man?
Come here.
Don't move. Wait, hold on.
I don't know me. I don't know me. I was gonna put me in a jail. Me come up back. I was gonna put me in a jail. Me come up back.
Yo boy. Where your friend? What you mean you don't know who your friend there?
Unless you can't give me a deal, I'm telling you right there. But if you can't give me something, nothing.
Oi, shut up mouth. Listen when me a talk after me done. Then you can start talking. You want to tell you?
Yo, give me a sec. Better you give that youth there, you know. You want to live a jail youth? You know what going around there, sir? Yo, them boy, they glad to see you around there, you know. Give me a sec. I can tell which part of friend and work out one like a plea deal for you. Enough body there on that them on there, you see me? You want to go to jail for all of them the body there?
No, officer.
So I can tell which part in there, which part in there talk to me.
Yo, you know that corner shop around there, saying officer. Left you around every day around there, boy, you have around.
I just pass around a corner shop, you know. Make sure I say no nonsense and tell me, you know.
Boy, around that shop.
Yo, me a call mad dog a while ago.
Give me food, yeah man. Long run short, yeah.
How old you?
Never know that dog one, eh? Handcuff him.
Put your hand behind you boy.
Who no?
Long run. Yeah, we soon find out, man.
Hold on, back.
Tori. I want to go on, so.
Sean, try boss it a million times.
Tori, come on.
A goat rope this in a Sean. The boy tie me up like a goat.
Tori, come on.
I'm so tired of trying bossy rope, Sean.
I say me I go through the same thing, yes. So.
Same thing where I go through, my friend. The boy fire get mad.
I remember the same thing, I know what me I go through. Come on.
Thank you for tuning in to Jamaican TV. I am Tracy and Blair, and these are our news and reviews. Devon Crackers, aka Brogard, and Henry Crooks, otherwise known as Mad Dog, they were arrested in connection to the murder of Mr. Michael Blacks, who was found hanging in his grandmother's backyard. He was left there as a cover-up for suicide, which is actually a homicide. Miss Tori Crackers is still on the run. If anyone has seen Miss Crackers, please contact the nearest police station.
Fire.
Yeah, Barbara.
You know, some minutes I come find on your house and Tori tie up down there. Tell me, say, are you tie up? How I go on?
Yeah, man, we have to tire up, man, because last night after you and I go out and she could have left out of the yard, right?
Yeah.
Somehow she left her phone in the settee. I did her sleep and I read the phone ring up. I'm check it, the message come in. Now for your boyfriend, I say most time them have sex from when and this and one bag or something.
My boyfriend?
The grievance when me wake up this morning, as I go to bed, I mean I tell you say, me plan to do something wicked to her. I just I wake up in my mind, my mind just change. So that the ultimate feature me just do and then me just cut.
Say
me just done it there.
Say tell me say Tori and Alton asleep together. Hurry up and come on, cause me sell the place. The people are come look for it.
You know I sell no place.
Hurry up and come, man, cause them a come.
You better wait till me come here. Sean? Sean? Sean?
No, my boy. I am the murder weapon. Yo, where are the cocktail? Turn around. Why you to? Put down company boy. Officer, I do not but just come in here, I'm see this. Officer, I never do not. Tell the judge that. No, boy. What are that now for? Eh? So the murder weapon, yeah.
You have a right to remain silent.
After you tell the handcuff by me and tell me that.
Shut up.
Help! My boyfriend tried to kill me. My name's Sean and I'm there Namron Road.
Alright, ma'am, can you please give us a contact number in case the call gets disconnected?
Me there Namron Road and my trying to kill me. Hurry up and come. Help!
Right, ma'am, help is on the way, but try and keep the line connected.
Bunny down to the ground. Richard Brooklyn, Jamie Wood. It's Curious King, you know what I mean? Talk to them, baby.
You're the type of boy that every girl wants to meet. But what the hell I'm for the house when you start with them in the streets? My youth, you're dangerous. Why you dealing with the girl? I'm so rough. Oh no. Hey, why you're dangerous? Why you dealing with them, girl? I'm so tough. Oh no. Hey, I see you sting like a bee, but you flow like a butterfly. First part the relationship, I used to tell myself that there couldn't be a better guy. Now I'm about to take a flight. I'm so tired of the sleepless night. Now everything start come to light. Instead of love me right now, you want to fight. Young boy, you're dangerous. Why you dealing with the girl? I'm so rough. No, hey.
You're the type of girl that every man wants to know. Ellen powder off when them really get to know you, young girl, you're dangerous. Why you deal with eyes so rough? Yeah, you're dangerous. God, girl, you're too dangerous. I give love and you gave hate in return. Next time I meet a pretty girl, at least my lesson I will learn. Pretty face with the devilish mentality. I'm telling you, it's like it's a fatality. I can't breathe.
Look like you're working with the devil. You're not on the king level. But you're the type of girl that every man wants to know. But Ellen powder out. When them really get to know you, young girl, you dangerous.
Yo, sir.
Yo.
How we there?
No, me even know dog.
How long are there, sir?
Right now, me even know dog. Right now, a little charming girl hold me and take me dog. Fall in love with the beauty in the beast.
Yo, pretty girl, then I had one place a while ago and I'm not rich must wake up and how?
Right now, you come and say, yo, right now, me think me know the girl there, dog. She jumped me off and make me there so too, dog. Right now, me have frost out right now.
Yeah, you have food at door?
Yes, yeah, I'm play look marga down right now. Put some more dog on him.
Why you deal with eyes so rough? Young girl, you dangerous. You're the type of girl that every man wants to know. Ellen powder house when them truly get to know you, young girl, you dangerous. Oh no, you ain't no joke. Smile with me on the cut my throat. No, mommy warned me long time ago. Don't let pretty faces lead you to sorrow. Oh no.
Blessed again. So yeah, this a movie and now it's different. So but we have to make people know so watch out. No violence against woman. No violence overall. You know what I mean? Just done violence overall, but no violence against woman, no violence against man. Let's try to get some good relationship. You know what I mean? The relationship is a very touchy topic because there's a lot of fight in relationship that lead to different stuff. You know what I mean? So when you have a relationship, don't allow friends in your relationship to tell you what to do that can pose a problem because some friend bad mind and they make because of that your man a problem and then something bad comes. So just try to communicate more with who are you in a relationship because that's how a relationship should go. You know what I mean? But if you're in a relationship with abusive, get yourself out of it. If you can't manage it because it will lead to nothing but destruction. You know what I mean? So, no violence. And man and woman, just try live loving. You know what I mean? And just try find a common ground. If you're there with somebody and really love them, leave them. You know what I mean? But then go and go do something for themselves and find somebody to love them. You know what I mean? Because the world needs more love. And the youth them need to grow in a more love and harmony where there's enough communication. Burn down to the ground. Thank you for watching. Big up Taz and Franco and Damien. Big up yourself as usual. Foundation, donate. When a man donate, man, give us strength. So give thanks to that. You know what I mean? From that time to this time. So big up yourself, Bridge. Memories all the while still. So you know we part the future. I go with the thing we have in mind. You know what I mean? So thank you guys for watching. Keep on supporting the movements, go forward. Big up to everybody. All the people that donate from that time to this time. I don't remember body name, that's the problem. I don't remember body name. There's a long list of people that donate. So big up yourself, you know yourself. And we look forward for more communication. So when you communicate more, your name is just remember your name more faster because you remember bag of people. You see it? Big up Chin. Miss Chin, if I the right name that, you know, big up herself. She have a unique ear castle. You know what I mean? You can check out our website. You know what I mean? People who love the lace wig thing, you can check out. She get the finest thing them, you know what I mean? So burn it down to the ground. As we push forward, big up my bike taxi cousin. Burn it down. Yeah man, if they're Negril, right, you carry across the place, you can know the place some long time, a good youth. Burn down to the ground. That's how we do it, you know, man. Live and live in color.